Welcome to 750 Daniel Street. This 1,436 square feet ranch home features an open floor plan, 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. Enter the sizable living room with great natural light and access to the eat-in kitchen. The kitchen features an abundance of cabinet space, stainless appliances, ample counter space, and a view of the backyard. The nice-sized master bedroom is adjacent to the spacious master bath with dual sinks and access to laundry. The 2 secondary bedrooms are good-sized, and the second full bath finishes off the main floor of this desirable home. The unfinished lower level features an abundance of storage space. Outside, you will enjoy the privacy of the fully fenced yard. The separate 1-car garage also features a covered carport for additional parking.